This is how you can summarize a very, very long YouTube video, such as a lecture or podcast, using this AI tool called NoteGPT. So far, I've tested a podcast YouTube video for up to 3 hours long, and it manages to summarize all the key points within that podcast, but it can potentially summarize even longer than 3-hour videos. So just search up NoteGPT, or the link will be down in the description. So this AI summarizer and generator, so just click on it and then you come to this page. So this NoteGPT can do more than just YouTube summarization. It can do your presentation, PDFs, and even more different tools. So what you gotta do first is sign up for a free account. For my case, I just use a random Google account to sign up. It is a freemium model, so it provides you with some free credits every single month that you can summarize around 3 to 4 hours long of YouTube videos for free every single month. But if you want to generate even longer videos, then you have to wait for the next month, otherwise you need to pay. So yeah, what we are going to do is go to AI YouTube and YouTube Video Summarizer. So once you go to this YouTube Video Summarizer, you can just paste in the link. So let's say I want to generate Joe Rogan's podcast with Donald Trump. So I just copy the link and then go back to NoteGPT and then paste it here, and then click on generate summary. So it looks like it requires 4 quotas. So each free account will get 15 free quotas per month. So a 3-hour video, this 3-hour video it requires 4 credits, but after that you have to generate and then summarize as well, which costs more credits. As you can see at the left hand side is the transcript originally from the YouTube video. So this is the raw transcript, and you can see the timestamp as well. And at the right hand side is the summary. So you can see these are the entire summary of the 3-hour long video, which is insane. This is actually a pretty short summary, but you can do even more things if you want to. You can translate it to different languages. Of course, it will cost some quotas. And then you can go to your mind map, and then you will also generate the mind map. So as you can see, this is the mind map, which you can also download for free. And then you can use this for your PDF, your presentation, anything that you want. You can also go to AI chat, but you have to go to the workspace. So let's go to the workspace. So the workspace, it provides you an entire suite of tools. So this is our workspace, where you can see all these different features and tools that will help you with everything. So here we have an AI chat where you can ask questions related to the video, and in this case Elon Musk podcast. So let's say I want to ask let's say what does Elon Musk thinks about Trump's policy. This is the answer. And then let's say it's too complex. I do not know politics. I'm an engineer, not a politician. So I want to ask him things related to politics and dumb it down for me. Can you... So let's say I want to ask, can you explain the discussion about politics in simple words or terms? So yeah, it gives us a shorter summary. So yeah, you can also summarize in a few ways, such as just a general summary, a chapter, core points, or even some financial statements. You can also create your own custom prompt if you have something specific that you want it to summarize. And then as it also created some flashcards. It's a very simple flashcard. This is great if you have lecture videos that you can test you on what they're talking about within this podcast. So this is it. If you want more practical ways to use AI to boost your productivity and save time, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like if you think this video is valuable. So thank you. I'm JJ from Zeroverse, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.